To cancel your Uber One subscription, here's how you can do it. So you should need first, of course, to open your Uber app. Then tap your account icon, which you can see right here. Tap that, it's in your upper right corner from the menu. Then it will show you this. Scroll down, then tap the Uber One from the menu. Next is after tapping that is you can see your membership plan right here. It says here that you can renew your membership on January 11, but if you want to change also your billing plan, you can also change it right here. But if you want to end, which is that's what we're talking about, if you want to end your membership, then just click the end membership button right here. Then that's it. It will ask you some personal reasons why you should end your membership. Then just you can be more specific, can tell them more about why you're canceling your plan, and just hit continue, and that's it. Your Uber One is cancelled.